In this video, we count down 8 creative ideas on how to use your RV during the holidays. Here are 8 creative ideas on how to use your RV during the holidays. Starting with number 8 and counting down, use your RV as a guest house. Using your RV as a guest house for visitors during the holidays is simple. The RV can be set up at home, and your visitors can have a separate and private space to go to at any time. Number 7. A safe and overnight stay for you and your family when you visit. Like they say, don't drink and drive. It's a good chance that you'll be attending a holiday party. Over the years, we have taken our RV to many holiday functions. One of these was a friend's New Year's Eve party. Not only did it create a safe overnight stay for us, but we are also able to bring items for an escape room game, adding to the party experience. Number 6. Storing extra food. Your RV pantry and refrigerator can be a great place to store extra food, especially for those larger parties. Extra storage space can be used as a second pantry after a big grocery purchase. You can also use your RV's refrigerator to freeze extra food, or just keep salads, entrees, and desserts cold for when they're needed. Number 5. A second kitchen. Speaking of large parties, how about a second kitchen for cooking or keeping food warm? Not only will this make things easier for you, but also for a guest that might need to cook or reheat something for that special party. Number 4. A place to wrap and hide presents. Pretty basic and simple, right? But consider this. You now can take your time not only wrapping gifts, but also knowing that they are hidden and locked away from family members. Number 3. Tailgating for a theater show such as Nutcracker. Who does this, right? We do this all the time. 2 o'clock matinees are the best because you can park early at the theater, have lunch with friends, attend the performance, and return for dessert before driving home. Number 2. Take a holiday road trip to a theme park or a parade event. Over the years, we've taken our motorhome to many places during the holidays. Some of these include the Grinch Christmas celebration at Universal Studios Hollywood and the Pasadena Tournament of Roses Parade. Many of these places have special parking for RVs, so we are always surprised how easy it is to travel during the holidays. We've saved the best for last. Our number 1 idea? You guessed it. Have a mini Christmas party touring neighborhood Christmas homes in your RV. To do this, we suggest having enough seatbelts for all your guests. In our case, we have seating for 11, but only had 6 seatbelts because the motorhome only sleeps 6. So we simply added 5 more seatbelts, which surprisingly were easy to install. For party suggestions, we use a small Christmas tree with battery-operated lights, thermoses of hot cocoa, holiday background music, and serve simple desserts like cookies. We also like to give out small gifts like ornaments at stops during the tour. For a dinner party, we suggest cooking lasagnas ahead of time at home, then storing them in the oven or microwave until you get to your location. And when serving, make the best use of space by putting a small piece of wood on your bed as a makeshift table for paper products and salads. Our town has an annual Christmas boat parade, so we like to park the motorhome right on the shoreline, serve dinner, pull out the folding camping chairs, enjoy the boat parade, and then tour Christmas homes. Well, we've come to the end of our video. We hope that we have given you a few creative ideas on using your RV during the holiday season. Until next time, happy RVing. Thank you so much for spending some time with us today. Please subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Thank you.